Hello, Sikihor! We're back! Shh. Be. Be. Ay, shush, 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 shush. Be. So we're back, Sikihor. We're now at Larena Port. So it is 6 p.m. So naay 5 ka oras nga travel from Laredale to Larena Port. So Sikihor, 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 we're back. Okay. Hala. So kayo pa atras sila hang. Oh! Wow! Fast and the Furious be. So, nanganaog na.
Standby sa tagabay.
Oh, standby. Yan na yung mga balik na po me. So we are going to stay here to Sikihor until the 28th of May. One lang May. 3 days. Okay, reunion is on 26th and 27th. That's tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. So thank you Light Ferries 11 for a safe and sound trip from Laredale to Larena Sikihor. Okay, so gamay na lang ang Lapon. Then we are out of the Larena Port. Ba? Parang kailan lang. We're back here na naman sa Sikihor. So, daghay ng tagad, nagbabay-babay. Daghag tao ang atong port karon. Bibo kaayo ay. Oh, daghag pasahero, daghag visitor sa Sikihor. Ano naman to? Where is our car? There's the car. Naramong sundo. So kumusta ang travel day? So dili ra kayo balod. Dili ra kayo kusog ang balod sa mo ang pag-anhi diri sa Sikihor. Okay.
I know I'm popular.
Ha? Son.